County Family Court Judge Richard Miller II is facing removal from the bench on sexual misconduct charges. The New York State Commission on Judicial Conduct posted a news release to its website today recommending his removal on the basis of several acts of misconduct. They include repeatedly making sexist and otherwise demeaning statements to a female court clerk, screaming at and belittling another female court clerk, and then retaliating against her after she filed a complaint, and a variety of financial disclosure charges. News Channel 34 reported in August 2017 that Miller had been put on leave and assigned to other duties that did not involve hearing family court cases due to an investigation into workplace conduct. Charges against Miller were first filed July 2018. During the interim, the remaining 3 family court judges in Broome County have had to shoulder an increased caseload, with another judge from neighboring Delaware County being brought in to hear some cases. In December 2018, 2 employees who worked for Miller filed a civil case against him, alleging several offensive acts that they were forced to endure. They included tricking them into seeing nude photos, including one of a co-worker, graphic and crude descriptions of sexual acts and the judge's own sexual desires, and repeatedly demanding that his female secretary satisfy his sexual needs. Miller's attorneys, Paul Derhunisian and Deborah Scalise, released a statement to the media expressing his disappointment with the ruling and pointing out that 2 of the 9 commission members had dissented from the decision favoring censure over removal. The attorneys note that the allegations from the employees who are suing Miller were found to lack credibility and were not used to justify the removal. They say Miller plans to appeal to the State Court of Appeals, which means the case will likely drag on for many more months. The son of the late Assemblyman Dick Miller became a family court judge in 2015, and his term runs through 2024 with a salary of just over $200,000 per year. Since taking office, he has spent more time on leave than hearing cases. You can read the full Commission on Judicial Conduct release, as well as his lawyer's response, on our website, binghamtonhomepage.com.